I'm going to tell you a tale of mermaids, friend. It's called a Mermaid Mimosa. Ha! Okay, so we start off with some corn syrup and some blue sugar. So you understand what we're doing here. We're going to rim our glasses in that corn syrup, stick it in the blue sugar. The sugar's going to stick and pretty up our glasses. Now you come over the top of that with some melon liqueur. The most popular brand of melon liqueur that you would do would probably be Midori. You don't have to use Midori, they ain't paying us, use what you want. Now we can hit that with some blue curaçao. Why? Because that can give us a deeper, richer, true blue. Okay, really bring the eyes out. Come behind that with some pineapple juice. Look at the color on that now. Oh my God, that is gorgeous. All right, then you follow it up with some expensive champagne. All right, don't Google this one. This one's very costly, but don't Google it. Okay, so we pour in our champagne and look at the gradient that you have there. That green into this nice, oh, she can stir it. The color's gonna change. But you get it, it's even prettier. You still have somewhat of a gradient. You put a little pineapple slice on the side and there you have it. The Mermaid Mimosa. Gorgeous. Stay tipsy, friends, stay tipsy.